In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take a snapshot of a video in VLC Media Player. This is perfect if you want to capture a still image from a movie, tutorial, online lecture, or any video file you're playing locally. VLC is completely free, works on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, and already has this feature built in, so there's no need for extra software. I'll walk you through two simple methods, using the menu and using a keyboard shortcut, so you can choose what works best for you. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. If you don't already have VLC installed, you can download it for free from videoland.org and install it in just a few minutes. Once VLC is open, you'll need to load the video you want to capture a snapshot from. You can do this by clicking on Media in the top left corner, then selecting Open File and choosing your video from your computer. You can also simply drag and drop the video file directly into the VLC window, which is often the fastest option. After your video opens, start playing it and watch until you reach the exact frame you want to capture. You can either let the video play naturally or use the playback controls to move frame by frame. When you're close to the moment you want, pause the video so you can capture a clean and precise snapshot without motion blur. Now let's look at the first method, which uses the VLC menu. With the video paused on the exact frame you want, move your cursor to the top menu bar and click on Video. In the drop-down menu, look for the option called Take Snapshot and click on it. As soon as you do that, VLC will instantly capture the current frame and save it as an image file. You'll usually see a brief notification flash on the screen showing the file name and the location where the snapshot was saved. By default, VLC saves snapshots to your Pictures folder, but this can vary depending on your settings. The image is typically saved as a PNG file, which means it's high quality and ready to use right away. Now let's go over the second method, which is even faster and uses a keyboard shortcut. This is especially useful if you take snapshots often. While your video is playing or paused on the frame you want, press Shift and S at the same time on your keyboard if you're on Windows or Linux. The moment you press this shortcut, VLC will capture the snapshot automatically without opening any menus. Just like before, you'll see a quick on-screen confirmation showing where the image was saved. This method is great when you want to capture frames quickly without interrupting playback too much. If you're wondering where all your snapshots are stored, you can check or change the location by going to Tools, then Preferences, and looking under the Video section. There you can set a custom folder for snapshots and even adjust the file format if needed. And that's really all there is to it. You now know two easy ways to take a snapshot of a video in VLC, using either the menu or a simple keyboard shortcut. This is a super handy feature for thumbnails, presentations, notes, or sharing a specific moment from a video. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.